7, please.
You have to put your card there as well.
Oh.
After you stop on the second, I don't know if it goes to the 7 if you don't put the card.
Well, I guess we'll see. Have a good day.
Yeah. You too.
Thank you.
Take care.
Doors closing.
Right. This is at the Turim Hotel. And of course the indicator's burnt out. That's not very 4-star hotel-like of them. The lantern works. So at least you know you're moving. Here we are at 7, presumably. We're gonna send this one down. I want the other one intact. The indicator. The indicator works on the outside. That's a good sign. All right. Here it comes. Watch this one have a burnt out indicator too. No, it doesn't. It actually works in this one. How delightful. You'll have to see.
Doors closing.
Doors closing.
Lift going down. Basement.
Oh, the other one doesn't come with this floor. Ooh. Can we get a chime? Nice. I'm gonna go up to the first floor and just get that down chime too.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Why is the voice so like obnoxious? Sounds like he's speaking like with the mic in his mouth. What's going on?
Main floor.
Let's get that down chime real quick. Nice. Anyway, that's it.